students, I welcome you all our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So students, in my last class session, I have discussed about some properties of the parallel lines, transversal and parallel lines. Today in the present session we will discuss about triangle and its angles. Triangle and its angles. What is triangle? Triangle and its angles. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Definition of triangle. What do you mean by triangle? A plane figure bounded by three lines in a plane is called a triangle. A plane figure bounded by three lines is called a triangle. A plane figure bounded by three lines is called a triangle. Here ABC is a triangle which is bounded by AB, AC and BC are three sides of the triangles, and angle A, angle B and angle C are three angles. AB, AC and BC are three sides of the triangle. Where angle A, angle B, angle C are three angles of the triangles. Then types of triangles. Scalene triangles. Types of triangles. At first, scalene triangles. What do you mean by scalene triangle? Scalene triangle is the triangle in which no two sides are equal. The scalene triangle is the triangle in which no two sides are equal. No two sides are equal in measure. Suppose XYZ is a scalene triangle. XYZ is a scalene triangle. XY is not equal to YZ is not equal to XZ. Means three sides have different length. Then another is isosceles triangle. First, scalene triangle. Second, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle are the triangles in which any two sides have equal length. The triangle in which isosceles triangle is the triangle. Suppose PQR is a triangle. Isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle is a triangle in which any two sides have equal length, have same length. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which any two sides have the equal length. Okay. Suppose PQR is a triangle in which PQ equal to PR is a isosceles triangle. Okay. Then next, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. Then next, equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is the triangle in which all the three sides are equal of length. Suppose ABC is a triangle, equilateral triangle. Suppose ABC triangle is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. This means equilateral triangle. This means all three sides have equal length. AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides have equal length. Then next, acute angle triangle. Acute triangle. Acute triangle is the triangle whose all the three angles are equal. The triangle whose all three angles. A triangle has three angles. All three angles are acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle triangle is the triangle in which all three angles are acute angles. Suppose ABC is an acute angle triangle. Angle A is less than 90 degree. Angle B is less than 90 degree. Angle C is also less than 90 degree. Means all the angles are acute angle. Then next, right angle triangle. Right triangle. Next, right triangle. Right triangle is the triangle in which there is a right angle. The triangle in which one angle is right angle. In which one angle is right angle. One angle is right angle. One angle is right angle means 90 degree. Suppose PQR is a triangle, right triangle. PQR. Suppose PQR is a right triangle in which angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Means angle Q is right angle. Right triangle is a triangle in which one angle is right angle. Then next, obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle is a triangle. The triangle in which one angle is an obtuse angle. The triangle in which one angle is an obtuse angle. Is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. What do you mean by obtuse angle? The angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree. The angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. A triangle is an obtuse angle. Triangle means the triangle in which an angle is obtuse angle. Then next, angle sum property. Next, the triangle property. We have discussed about types of triangles: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, acute triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle. Scalene triangle is the triangle in which all three sides are not equal. No two sides are equal. These are scalene triangles. Suppose ABC is a scalene triangle in which AB is not equal to BC is not equal to SC. Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which any two sides have same measure is called isosceles triangle. Suppose ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to SC. Equilateral triangle is the triangle in which all three sides are equal. Suppose XYZ is an equilateral triangle in which XY equal to YZ is equal to XZ. Acute triangle, the triangle whose all three angles are equal, means the measure of all three angles are less than 90 degree. Right triangle, the triangle in which one angle is right angle is called right triangle. Then obtuse triangle, the triangle in which one angle is an obtuse angle is called obtuse angle triangle. The next, properties of triangles. Angle sum property. The angle sum property of triangle says, angle sum property of triangle says, angle sum property of a triangle says, of a triangle, the angle sum property says, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. This is angle sum property. We have to prove this. We have to suppose A, B, C is a triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle, measure of angle A, measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property. We have to prove this. We have to prove this. The measure of sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Then we have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Then to prove that the angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Then now draw a line at the point A which is parallel to BC. Then draw XY such that XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. Then they forms these two angles. Suppose this is angle 4 and angle 5. Here XY is parallel to BC. XY is parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. Look at here. XY parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. Then if AC is the transversal, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by the property if two lines are parallel and the transversal intersect it, then the alternate pair have same measure. Here the angle 3 is equal to angle 4 as alternate pair, as they are alternate pair. Then next, here XY is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. Then XY is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. AB is the transversal. Then if AB is the transversal, angle 2 is alternate to angle 5. Then measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 5 since alternate pair. Why? They are alternate pair. Then here look at here. Here angle A plus angle 5 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because the angle at one point in a line, because the angle at one point in a line is 180 degree. Angle 5 plus angle 1 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. As the angles at one point, the angles at one point of a line, angles at one point of a line. Then here angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 4, angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 4. In place of 5 we can write angle 2. Then angle 1 plus angle 2, and in place of 4 we can write angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. As angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. In place of angle 5 we can write angle 2. In case of angle 4 we can write angle 3. Then we come to the conclusion that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Then the next theorem 2. The theorem 2 says, suppose ABC is a triangle, BO and CO are BO intersect the angle B into two equal parts. Angle bisector. BO and CO are angle bisector of angle B and angle C. Here ABC is a triangle. Here ABC is a triangle. BO and CO are angle bisectors of angle B and angle C. Angle B and angle C. Then we have to prove that. Then here we have to prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Then to prove that angle BOC is equal to angle 90 degree plus half of A. We have to prove this. Then as by the angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. As BO is the angle bisector, then angle, and then here write this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Here you can write as BO is the angle bisector, then in place of here, look at here BO is the angle bisector and CO is also the angle bisector. BO is angle bisector of angle B, where CO is angle bisector of angle C. Then angle 1 is equal to half of angle B, then angle 2 is equal to half of angle C. Then here in the triangle OBC, by angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then in place of, then look at here, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Then here we can write angle A plus then in this case angle A, in place of B we can write 2 of angle 1 plus 2 of angle 1 plus 2 of angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Then we can write angle, then divide this by 2. Then this imply, look at here, this imply half of angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Then this is half of angle, then which imply angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 minus half of A. Then angle BOC plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Then in place of angle 1 plus angle 2 we can write 90 degree minus half of A. Then in place of 1 plus 2 we can write 90 degree minus half of angle A plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, which imply angle BOC, I may erase it, students. Please remember, we will start in the next page. We will start with the next page. Look at here. Angle BOC plus 90 degree minus half of angle A is equal to 180 degree. Then measure of angle BOC is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree plus half of angle A. Then measure of angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Hence proved. Hence proved. We have to prove this. Suppose ABC is a triangle and BO and CO are angle bisector. BO and CO are angle bisector. Then this is the question. We have to prove that measure of angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of measure A. We prove this. Okay. Thank you students. Today this much. Please note down. In my next session we will continue with this. Okay.